So Steve, who's the co-founder of FlowsEasy, and I started FlowsEasy about 4 years ago. We were both looking for a new opportunity and had come across the Zoho products in previous business ventures that we were doing. And we wanted to provide solution, use our business knowledge and the great Zoho products to combine them to create a consultancy that could offer solutions to customers. So we started with nothing, not one client, not one customer, and we've slowly built FlowsEasy over the last 4 years. We've got over 40 clients. Most of our clients are recurring clients, so we get recurring work from them and business. And we've looked to expand, so just recently we've started an office in South Africa. We've got 6 developers there with 2 directors as a joint venture. And we're looking to boost our developer number of developers, which can offer solutions in the South African market, but also to help us in the UK market where we trade, to provide support for what we're doing in the UK. So we started to deploy Zoho products, and we had a client who wanted an MRP solution, and they actually wanted it in CRM. And so we actually used the service of another Zoho partner to try and build a solution in CRM, because we didn't have the expertise at the time. And that didn't work out for us, so we approached the client and said, look, we can build a solution in Creator, and would they be happy with that? But they'd have to wait for a few months. And so they said, yeah, they were happy for us to do that. And so we spent 5 months building an MRP solution in Creator, which was a journey, but it taught us a lot about Creator and the opportunities that low-code and particularly the Creator platform provides for us. And so to answer the second part of the question, which is what do we think about Creator now, we think Creator is an amazing piece of software. It takes a little bit of time to get your head around the Creator way of doing things, but there's so many opportunities. So we implemented our order management solution for a customer that assembles units, equipment, but also hires that equipment to their customers. So the solution was quite interesting because they wanted the integration between a lot of Zoho products, where we had to include Zoho Sign because they needed a contract signed, bringing the signed contract back into order management, managing the inventory of their equipment, and then the shipping of those goods and the return of those, including managing things like cleaning and those sorts of things, which was just beyond the scale of what Zoho Inventory could offer, so we wrote a solution for them. Some of the impact of that is 2 things. One is they love Zoho, so we've actually been able to implement other Zoho products, but also we've saved them an incredible amount of time because they were using a lot of spreadsheets and a lot of manual processing around their contracts and those sort of things, but we've been able to automate a lot of that and also move the information or the records between one user and another very, very quickly. So they've been able to save a lot of time for their business, and which has impacted their team, where they can focus more on delivery of solutions to their customers. So some of the features that we really appreciate is actually on the platform side from Zoho. So we don't have to worry about security, login, and portals and those sorts of things. All those features are provided. Privacy is another one. That's a fantastic sell point we find to customers, is that Zoho values clients' data, and therefore they trust the product and the implementations. But in terms of the Creator app itself, I think some of the things that we really appreciate is, one is Deluge, so the opportunity to be able to customize or write some custom code for some functions and features that we want to do certain things with is really powerful. So thoughts on low code. When we started this journey, we thought pro code was the only way to go. We thought some of the limitations in low code, and particularly the Creator platform, were restricting. And then we had an opportunity to write our first app, and I decided to take a different approach to that, which was, instead of looking at them as limitations, why don't we look at it as though we've got no other option but to rely on the environment and provide the solution. And the reason we did that was because of all the benefits we get from the Zoho low-code platform, like the performance of the data and or of the application, and security and privacy. You know, privacy is a real important thing for our clients. Their data is theirs, and Zoho honor that, and so do we, and that's a really important thing for our clients. So with a low-code space, you get that out of the box. And so we've learned that low code is awesome, and Zoho have done a fantastic job with Creator. We love the product, we love providing solutions for it, and we find it's a real interesting, flexible, easy way to provide really valuable solutions for our clients.